Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you my haul. Recently, I have done a little bit shopping from Myntra, Flipkart and Amazon and Purple as well. So I'll be sharing all the products in this video with you all. And all the products are on affordable range because as you all must be knowing, I am very fond of using affordable products because if on affordable range the products perform really well, then why not go for affordable products and waste your money on very high-end products. Where I also love using makeup products a lot, I'm literally a makeup addict. So please don't judge me guys, because in this situation, in this COVID situation, many of you must be thinking like, why she's buying so many makeup products and doing all these videos. Because this is my passion. I love doing makeup and I love sharing affordable makeup products with you all so that it will be really helpful to you all. So if any one of you is going to get married or if any function is there in your home, then definitely you can buy these products and use even in this current situation. So this is a very big intro. I'm extremely sorry for that. So let's start with the haul, and I will be showing the products right now. So first I will be sharing some of the products that I bought from Myntra. First I'll be showing you a newly launched product that I have seen on YouTube, and I was so much fascinated and I was so much like tempted to buy it, so I bought it for me. So Myntra packaging is like this. You can see I've received a parcel like this. So this is the first product. This is the product. You can see this is Wet n Wild Hello Blush Lighter, and I'm in the shade After Sex Glow. You can see. So this product I saw on YouTube, like this is a very new product, and even I don't think any Indian YouTuber has done any video on this particular product, and this is launched recently in Indian market. So immediately I bought this from Myntra, and I also got this product on a flat 50% discount. So the price of this palette, this blush lighter is rupees 599, but I got this for rupees 299 as there was a 50% sale on Wet n Wild products on Myntra. Second product that I've ordered from Flipkart, from Myntra is this one. This is Wet n Wild matte finish setting spray. So already I had the DV finish setting spray with me, but I have already used that and it is also very good. But I thought of trying this one out because now it's summers and it's so hot and humid, so it's better to go for any mattifying primer or mattifying setting spray. This I haven't opened. You can see the packaging is there. I haven't opened. It is sealed. And this one also I got on a 50% discount. I got this for rupees, the price is rupees 499, and I got this I think around 299. Yeah, I got this for rupees 299. So those are the products. So now I'm going to share with you the products that I bought from Amazon. So I am so happy with this product, and I am in love with this particular product that I'm going to show you. So guess what I'm going to show you. So obviously it's a lipstick only. So guys, I'm just a lipstick hoarder. So guys, I just love using lipsticks and I have a huge collection of lipsticks, and this lipstick also I was so excited to buy. This is Swiss Beauty Metallic Lip Gloss set of 6. You can see. So this particular product I was so much excited to buy because I saw good reviews about this product. Thought of purchasing this, and on Amazon I saw this lipstick like set of 6 I got for only rupees 600. So it was a steal deal because we are getting 12 lipsticks. As you can see, there are 6 metallic lipsticks and 6 matte liquid lipsticks. Each lipstick retails for rupees 219. It's written on the back of this cover, but I got each of the lipstick for only rupees 100. So definitely I will share a full review with you all about the lipstick, the pigmentation, the swatches and everything I'll be sharing. So the second product that I bought from Amazon is this one, this palette. This is Swiss Beauty Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette, and I'm in the set 07. So this is a newly launched set. Swiss Beauty Eyeshadow Palettes, Ultimate Eyeshadow Palettes were before available in 6 shades. So now they have launched 7 and 8 shades. So this is a very versatile palette, so I bought it for myself. and this one I bought on a very good discount for only rupees 179 from Amazon. And I've also done a full review and eye makeup look using this palette. So definitely please guys check that video, because that eye makeup look turned out so good, and this palette is also very good. So if you want to buy this palette, then please go ahead and check that video. I will definitely give the link in the description box. So this palette is also a must-have palette for the price. So these were the two products that I bought from Amazon. So now I'll be showing you the products that I bought from Flipkart. So the first product that I have bought from Flipkart is this one. This is SFR Color Beauty Killer Eyeshadow Palette, and using this particular palette only I have created this eye makeup look. I'm in love with this palette, and this palette is also very affordable. I got this for only rupees 238, which is a steal deal, because for 238 we are getting 26 eyeshadows. SFR Color eyeshadow palettes are overhyped, and they are on trend on YouTube right now. Many of the YouTubers, they are using these palettes and they are giving very good positive feedback. And also truly I'm speaking and truly I'm telling, this palette is also very good, because I have tried and I highly recommend. So please guys, check that video if you want to see this eye makeup look and a full review of this palette before buying. So the next product that I bought from Flipkart is this product. This is also a new product. This is Swiss Beauty Ultra Glow Highlight and Bronzer Palette. And this palette I have also done, I have also done a dedicated review of this product on my channel. So if you want to buy this palette, then please watch that video before buying. So this palette is actually not a new launch. They have already launched such type of product before. Only the difference is they have given a blush shade in this, and before they were giving only two highlighting shades. They were giving two highlighting shades and one bronzer shade, but here they have also included a blush. The price is only rupees 349. The next product that I bought is a set of eyelashes, eyelash glue and eyelash color. So the link I will give in the description box. So this is the eyelash glue. You can see I've already used it once. So I've applied these eyelashes. You can see it gives a very natural sort of eye makeup. So if you are planning to buy anything for bridal makeup or party makeup, then this is not the eyelashes. So this is only good for a everyday kind of look, or for giving very natural eye makeup look. So this is the glue. The glue is of very good quality. So next I have this set of eyelashes. You can see it came in a packaging like this. So these are the eyelashes. You can see they are very natural looking. They are not very heavy. So this is a set of 5 eyelashes. It came in a packaging like this. Also with that I have received this one. You can see. So this is the eyelash collar. This collar is actually not of very good quality, but this is manageable, because this product is also very affordable. Only for rupees 186 I have got a collar, eyelash glue and set of 5 eyelashes. So you can see it. So next I have got some products from Purplle, as you can see. So Purplle is one of my favorite websites, online websites for buying makeup products and skincare products, because always many of the products are available on very good discount. And these products all I have bought from my own hard-earned money. These are not at all sponsored, or nobody has sent me these products. So as I loved using makeup and skincare products, and I like to experiment a lot, so I have bought all these products. So first I will be showing you this sheet mask from Purplle. So I have already done a full review of this sheet mask on my channel. So these are newly launched. I think before 2 weeks only these sheet masks are launched, and immediately I ordered them because I wanted to try them out, and obviously I wanted to share with you how this product is, how it performs on our skin, and what are the benefits and everything. So I bought this sheet mask. So I have got actually 6 sheet masks of Purplle. Already I have used one, that is the seaweed variant, and these are the rest 5. You can see. So next I have these 2 sheet masks from Dorm Doc. These are also new launches. I saw them recently only. These are Dorm Doc Skin Hydrating Cellulose Fiber Sheet Mask with Ceramide. And this is Dorm Doc Skin Hydrating Cellulose Fiber Sheet Mask with Hyaluronic Acid. So these 2 products also I am planning to do a review. So if you want a dedicated review of these sheet masks, then please comment down below. I will definitely share with you. So after using only, I can share my review about these two sheet masks. So next I have some skincare products from Biotic, because there was some 30% 30 to 35% discount on Biotic products. That's why I bought these Biotic products, and I just love Biotic skincare products. I always use Biotic products. So the first product that I have is Biotic Biodendron Basili Ageless Serum. This particular serum is my all-time favorite, and I have already said about this in my recent haul video. Like I just love using this serum, and this is for all skin types. So the second product is this Biotic Advanced Ayurveda Biobringara Therapeutic Hair Oil. So this is also my daily use hair oil, and I just love using this hair oil because it is not that very much sticky and oily, and my scalp tends to become little bit oily in summers, so I love using this particular hair oil. I have bought the bigger bottle. So this is I think this is 200 ml bottle. So the next product that I bought from Purple is Biotic Bio Pineapple Oil Control Foaming Face Wash for normal to oily skin. So my skin is normal to combination actually. It becomes little bit oily around my T-zone in summers mainly. So I thought of trying out this face wash, and this I have never tried before. So only after using I can share my feedback. So the next product that I have taken from Purple is NY Bay Blinking Eyeshadow City Hall 1 eyeshadow palette. So this product actually I have seen many YouTubers craving about the pigmentation and everything, so I thought of trying it. So I have taken only one shade, and this is also Purple shade. The packaging is also very cute, very small, very tiny, so I loved it. But the price is what I think is a little bit on higher side. For the MRP of this product is rupees 125, but as usual NY Bay products are always available on discounts on Purple. So this one I got for only rupees 100 I think, and but still then for the price, this product I don't think it is that much worth, because if you are paying for rupees 150 to 200, within that range you can get a 6 to 8 sets eyeshadow palettes. You can go for Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette. So for rupees 125, in this we are getting 1.2 grams of product, so it is very less. But the pigmentation is good, so that is a good part. Pigmentation is not bad, it is good. You can see the pan size, it is also not huge, it is very small, and pigmentation you can see it's highly pigmented. You can see the pigmentation is good. The next product that I got from NY Bay is NY Bay Nail Lacquer, this one. So this is their Sugar Effect nail paint. So I thought of purchasing this type of nail paint, because I've never tried any nail paint which has a sugar effect. So I thought of buying this. This is Plum Sprinkles Sundae 8. So the MRP is rupees 75, but obviously this product also I got on a good discount from Purple. So there was some offer, like if you are buying NY products worth rupees 199, you'll be getting a kajal free. So I have got also a good free gift, that is this one. This is NY Bay the Big Apple of My Eye Kohl. So this kajal I have also tried before, and it's over. I have already tried one kajal, so it is a very good kajal. Actually it is not totally smudge proof, it smudges a little bit, but still then it is totally jet black. The color is very black, and also it stays on waterline for around 3 to 4 hours. So definitely for and it is also very affordable. You will be getting this kajal, I think the MRP is rupees 70. The MRP is only rupees 90. So it is very affordable and it will fit into anyone's budget. So for the price, this kajal is also very good, and I have tried this before, so I can tell you. So these are all the products that I wanted to show you and that I bought recently. And if you want to see a separate review of any of these products, then please comment down below. So if you like such type of videos, such type of haul videos, makeup and skincare review videos and makeup tutorials, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, which is absolutely free. And please don't forget to hit the notification icon next to it, so that you'll be notified whenever I upload my videos. And I upload such type of videos very regularly on my channel. And also if you like this video, then give it a big thumbs up and share. So see you in my next video. Till then, bye and take care.